Are you tired of getting caught in false breakouts and market noise? It's a common problem for traders. You see a promising signal, you jump in, and then the market immediately reverses. In this video, we're going to tackle that problem head-on. But before, important disclaimer. Please remember that no trading strategy is 100% accurate. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The markets are unpredictable, and you should always do your own backtesting and research before risking any real money. Let's get started. Every good trading system needs a foundation. Ours will be built on identifying the main market trend. For this, we'll use a classic and effective tool, the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA. Go to your indicators, type in Moving Average Exponential, and add it to your chart. Now, let's tweak the settings. We're going to change the length to 120. I also like to make the line a bit thicker so it stands out. The rule is simple. When the price is above the 120 EMA, we're in an uptrend and only looking for buy signals. When the price is below the 120 EMA, we're in a downtrend and only looking for sell signals. But as you can see, the price crosses this line frequently. Relying on the EMA alone will give us way too many false signals, especially when the market is choppy. This is just our baseline. Now, we need to add confirmation layers. The confirmation layer. To filter out those weak signals, we need to confirm that there's real momentum behind a move. Go back to your indicators and search for Trend Meter and select this one. In the settings, let's clean this up. We'll uncheck the first plot, Trend Bar 2, and the background. Our goal is a clean chart. Here's how we use it. After the price crosses our 120 EMA, we look to the trend meter for confirmation. For a buy signal, we want to see 3 green dots and a solid green line at the bottom. For a sell signal, we need 3 red dots and a solid red line. This simple check ensures we're not trading against the underlying momentum, instantly filtering out a huge number of false EMA crosses. See this fake sell signal here? The trend meter never turned red, keeping us out of a bad trade. We're getting closer, but we can make this system even more reliable. The final filter, avoiding consolidation. Our final step is to add a filter that helps us avoid sideways markets and minor pullbacks. Let's add our third and final indicator. Search for Trend Ribbon and choose this one. Once again, let's adjust the settings. Change the channel period to 50. This indicator is our final checkpoint. After our EMA cross and trend meter confirmation, we need the trend ribbon to be green to enter a buy trade. Conversely, we need the ribbon to be red to enter a sell trade. If the ribbon shows the opposite color, it means the market might be consolidating or the trend is weak. It's a clear signal to stay out. Look at this potential sell signal here. The EMA and trend meter were aligned, but the trend ribbon was still green. It told us to wait, and sure enough, the market bounced. That one indicator just saved us from a losing trade. So let's put it all together. Here are the complete rules for our system. For a buy trade, price must cross above the 120 EMA. The trend meter must show 3 green dots and a green line. The trend ribbon must be green. A sensible approach for this system is stop loss. For buys, place it below the recent swing low. For sells, place it above the recent swing high. Take profit. Aim for a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. This means for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make 2. When using this indicator on shorter time frames, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, your stop loss will be incredibly small. However, some brokers out there will hit you with a high spread, which can increase the chances of hitting your stop loss and ultimately hurt your bottom line. That's why I recommend using XM, which provides zero spread and allows you to execute pinpoint trades in the market. And XM is world best safe broker. Your money is safe. Easy to withdraw money. Click on the link in the description to join now and start maximizing your profits. But wait, there's more. If you're hungry for even more trading knowledge and strategies, make sure to watch our next video, which promises to blow your mind. It's a game-changing strategy that has the potential to take your trading to the next level. So stay tuned and don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, always trade smart and take care, and